Hi everybody. Hi everyone that follows my page. I hope you're well. Can you believe it's the 1st of December tomorrow? I can't believe it. Where is this year gone? So if you've been following my page for maybe a few days, a few weeks, a few months, a few years, you know that I specialise in women's health, workouts, health and fitness, nutrition. And I really focus on menopausal women, perimenopausal, menopausal and postmenopausal. And I put together lots of different programs to help menopausal women get fit, feel strong, feel healthy, feel positive, and really enjoy exercise and reframe exercise and give you all the latest updates on nutrition and how you can tweak your nutrition then once you're in perimenopause. And I'm starting a new program tomorrow. It's a 12-day. These are all sort of little intro programs that you can jump into and do at home and get lots of information and do the workouts, of course. So I get lots of messages on the page and from all the reels that I do from women who have not exercised for a while or aren't exercising because of maybe a medical problem, or maybe menopause has just completely wiped you out mentally and physically, and you're not really sure where to go, where to start. So tomorrow for 12 days, I'm doing a special program called the Pelvic Floor Workout, Menofit, which is my brand, and Walkfit. So Walkfit is an indoor walking class, and you can do it at home, and it's 15 minutes of walking. Great music, you don't need any equipment. It just helps you feel really positive, good, and it gets you back into the habit of exercising daily on a regular basis. And it's only 15 minutes. So for 12 days, you've got a new Walkfit workout every day that you can join, and you can do this at any time. So I've pre-recorded them all, and you can do them whenever you want in your day. And I always suggest that you maybe do it first thing in the morning. So get up, put your sports bra on, put your phone on, click play on the workout and do the Walkfit. And in 12 days, just see how much better you feel, because it'll improve your mental health. It will get your happy hormones surging through your bloodstream. You'll feel good, you'll feel better. And I'm really trying to encourage everybody to keep fit and positive during December. It's really easy to think, it's December, I'll start in January. But you can start tomorrow, 1st of December, and you can do 12 days with me. That's only 15 minutes a day. And you're in your own home, so it's just a really nice way of exercising. I'm also doing, together as part of this program, a daily pelvic floor workout. And not something really boring, but fun and enjoyable, and helping you understand how to exercise your pelvic floor muscles and how important it is, especially in perimenopause, because 1 in 3 women struggle with pelvic floor dysfunction, and that could raise its head in lots of different ways. It might be when you laugh, when you do a star jump, when you run, suddenly you might experience pelvic floor dysfunction. And there's a whole range of quite drastic and life-changing symptoms that many women experience, and nobody ever talks about it. It's like it's the conversation nobody wants to have. People just sort of manage it and they have to change their lives, and it doesn't have to be like that. What's happening in menopause is that the hormones that are declining, your estrogen, your progesterone and testosterone, they have an impact on your pelvic floor muscles. So you could have a really strong pelvic floor 1 minute and wake up the next day, and it could be completely different. You could feel weaker. And this is really common. But you can exercise your pelvic floor and strengthen your pelvic floor, and that can help. That can really help so many things. And I'm going to do a workout every day, just 10 minutes. I've recorded the first one, and it's just helping you understand how to actually exercise and isolate your pelvic floor. And then you can do it wherever. You could be watching me now doing your pelvic floor. I could be doing my pelvic floor exercises now. And then every day I'm going to progress and add another exercise. So these are things that you don't have to get changed. You can just do it wherever you are, and just understand how it feels and how you can strengthen it and how important it is, especially as we are menopausal. So if you want to join the program, it's really simple and fun. Every day there is a pelvic floor 10 minutes exercise workout, and there's a 15-minute Walkfit workout. So what's that? 15, 20, 25 minutes of exercise with me. And you access those on my website. So you'll create a login and you'll go in and you'll be able to do the workouts. And then I've also got a Facebook group, which is for my online. I have an online group, an online studio where I teach multiple classes during the day. And you can get access to that group. So you can jump in and you can join in any other workouts that you want to. You're very, very welcome to. I share recipes and there's Christmas tips, and we've got challenges going on, and just ways of you can increase your health, increase your healthy habits. That's what we're doing every day for 12 days, and it's called the 12 Days of Fitmas. So there's a lot to go at, but it's really going to be fun and enjoyable. So if you are perimenopausal or think you are, or you're menopausal, you're postmenopausal, maybe you're struggling a little bit with your pelvic floor, or maybe you understand the importance of exercising your pelvic floor and you want to know how to do it. Hi, Carol. And you would like to join our Walkfit and do Walkfit every day at home and just see how you feel in 12 days, then just put a comment here below in this talk. And I'll be on later on, and I can put you up the link and you can join the link and you can come in and join. It's a really fun, affordable program. It's just £20 for the 12 days. And you will definitely feel positive, feel happy, and you'll feel the difference. So if this is you and you've been watching my channel for a while and you've not jumped into anything yet, and you really do want to start, no problem, and you want to make a move, if you've not done anything for a while and you're a bit nervous about doing some fitness, then this would be a perfect program to jump into and get involved in and just see how you get on. It's only 12 days, so that's not overwhelming. It's not too much, and you can definitely do that. So if you fancy joining me, please comment below wherever you're watching this on Facebook. I'll set you up with a link. You can come and join, and I can onboard you tonight. Make sure that you are able to log in. You can do it on your phone or your iPad. And even if you are not technical, because I get loads of people say that, I'm not technical, all you need to do is log into the website and you can access the workouts. It's really simple, and you can do them at any time. So I will wait for you to get in touch with me, but it's called Menofit, which is my program for menopausal women. And this is the Pelvic Floor and Walkfit 12-day challenge. There you go. And it's going to walk you right into Christmas. All right, gang. Hope to see you on the program. Leave me a message and I'll work with you soon.